This video will explain the reasons behind Android stuck in safe mode and provide practical, step-by-step solutions to fix it, helping you easily restore your device to its normal state. Part 1. Why is my Android stuck in safe mode? Android devices can get stuck in safe mode due to accidental button presses like holding the volume key, app or system conflicts, issues during system updates, or hardware malfunctions such as a stuck volume key. Part 2. How do I fix my Android phone stuck in safe mode? The fixes are listed from simplest to most advanced. Start with the first one and continue until the issue is resolved. Fix 1. Check buttons. To fix button issues causing safe mode, first inspect the volume down and power keys for obstructions like dirt or a tight case. Then test each button to ensure they're responsive. Clean around stuck buttons with a soft cloth or brush if needed. Fix 2. Check notifications. Some Android devices display a notification when they are in safe mode, and this notification may include an option to exit safe mode directly. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. Step 2. Look for a notification labeled Safe Mode. The wording may vary slightly by device. For example, your device is in safe mode. Step 3. Tap on the notification, and you should see an option to exit safe mode or restart to exit safe mode. Tap this option, and your device will restart and exit safe mode. Note: not all Android devices have this notification feature, so if you don't see it, move on to the next fix. Fix 3. Restart the device. Option 1. Normal restart. Step 1. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. This usually takes 2-3 seconds. Step 2. Tap restart or reboot from the menu. Step 3. Wait for your device to turn off and back on. If the issue was a minor glitch, it should exit safe mode automatically after restarting. Option 2. Forced restart. If a normal restart doesn't work, for example, your device is unresponsive or still boots into safe mode, try a forced restart. The steps vary slightly by device, brand, but the general method is: Step 1. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for 10-15 seconds. Step 2. Release both buttons once the device's logo appears. Do not release earlier, even if the screen goes black. Step 3. Wait for the device to restart completely. A forced restart can resolve more persistent glitches by completely resetting the device's current state. Fix 4. Remove recent apps. If a third-party app is causing your device to get stuck in safe mode, removing the most recently installed apps can resolve the issue. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device. This is a system app, so it will work in safe mode. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device. Step 3. Sort the apps by install date to find the most recently installed ones. Look for apps installed just before the issue started. Step 4. Tap on the first recent app, then tap Uninstall and confirm. Step 5. Restart your device and check if it exits safe mode. If not, repeat the process with the next most recent app until the issue is fixed. If you're unsure which app is causing the problem, you can also uninstall all recently installed apps within the last 1-2 weeks and then reinstall them one by one later. Fix 5. Wipe cache partition. Step 1. Turn off your device completely. Press and hold the power button, then tap power off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. The steps vary by device, but the most common method is to press and hold the power button plus volume up button simultaneously until the recovery menu appears. For some devices, you may need to use power plus volume down or a combination with the Bixby button. Samsung. Step 3. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate the recovery menu. The power button is used to select options. Step 4. Select Wipe Cache Partition from the menu. Do not select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. This will delete your data. Step 5. Confirm the action and wait for the process to complete. This usually takes 1-2 minutes. Step 6. Once done, select Reboot System Now from the recovery menu. Your device will restart, and the cache partition will be cleared. Check if it exits safe mode. Fix 6. Use a system repair tool. If simple fixes don't work, corrupted system files or crashes might be the cause. Using a tool like Android Repair can automatically fix system errors and restore your device without needing technical expertise. Step 1. Launch the Android Repair software on your computer. From the main interface, select System Repair and then choose Android Repair to enter the repair module. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Once the device is detected, click Repair Now to proceed. Step 3. Select your device information, including the brand, model, country, and carrier if required. Then click Start. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your phone into download mode, also called Odin mode on some devices. Step 5. The software will automatically download the appropriate firmware and begin repairing the system. After the repair is complete, your phone will restart and should exit safe mode. Fix 7. Factory reset Android. A factory reset should be a last resort, as it erases all personal data and restores your device to its original settings. Make sure to back up your data before using this fix. Step 1. Open Settings, System Reset or Backup and Reset, depending on your device. Step 2. Tap Factory Data Reset or Erase all data. Step 3. Read the warning message, then confirm the action by entering your PIN, password, or pattern if prompted. Step 4. Wait for the factory reset to complete. This may take 5–10 minutes. Your device will restart automatically, and it will be restored to its factory settings. It should no longer be stuck in safe mode, but you'll need to set up your device again, log into your Google account, reinstall apps, etc. Fix 8. Contact official service. If the fixes don't work, your device may have a hardware issue or severe system corruption. Contact customer service or visit an authorized service center for help.